Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Prompt Merchant Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called the Prompt Merchant. So this is the Prompt Merchant Review. Right now we are on the sales page and we have the demo as well on the sales page itself. So right now it says Prompt Merchant without the space, and then here we have a space in between, and then here we don't have a space, and then here we have AI Prompt Merchant. Kindly decide how is the name of the product is spelled. We need to make YouTube videos, we need to do YouTube SEO, we need to know if Prompt Merchant is without the space or with the space. Okay, so let's start the video. It says here, create or craft high value prompts that sell with the included master template. The simplest way to start a prompt selling business immediately and seize the first mover advantage with Prompt Merchant app. And then you're supposed to watch this video, and sorry about that. Yeah, so it shows you $17 one-time price, and then we have first Shopify, this and that. Again, I'm sorry. Okay, so here you will see a lot of images. Okay, so it's like you have to find the right prompts, what to tell to the ChatGPT or this Mid-Journey software, so that it can create these artificial intelligence based images for you. Okay, I tried to go through the video which we have on the sales page. So you see here some examples. They're going to create a profile on Mid-Journey, I guess, and you can see it says here, I'm a prompt engineer specializing in Mid-Journey, nice to meet you. So you have to, I guess, create your profile on Mid-Journey and then maybe sell something there. So I was saying that I tried to go through the demo video which we have, this one here. So you may find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. So go below the video, then click on the link if it says grab a Prompt Merchant copy here, and click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. Then come here halfway down and then watch this video. Okay, I was trying to go through the video, but I lost interest. It's not something which I will do, and it didn't make sense to me. So I don't know what they were talking about. I mean, I know about Mid-Journey, and yeah, I know the ChatGPT, and then you have to create some graphics. And so here, technically, you're supposed to sell some prompts to some clients or something. Okay, so I lost my interest. I lost my interest while I was watching this demo video, and I said, okay, let's just make a review, because this thing has got nothing to do with making money in my understanding. Okay. Prices are 17 and 27. Agency license, is it? Yes. So 27 is agency, and then this 17 is a personal one. And then do I have to install Prompt Merchant? No. How much do update cost? 0. Is ordering completely risk-free? 30-day money-back guarantee. Do you provide step-by-step instructions? Yes. How do I get support? Go to this URL and raise a support ticket over there. Is there a monthly fee to use Prompt Merchant? Again, you see, I'm completely lost. Prompt Merchant, right? So there's no monthly fee, but you might have to go and buy some upgrades, right? So go and check out the demo video on the sales page. And as you see here, this is Mid-Journey, by the way. I might have to go and do a review on Mid-Journey later on separately. And then you can see here you have this training area where they are talking about how to use ChatGPT to maybe generate those prompts. And then you're supposed to sell those prompts to somebody to make money in some way or the other. Okay, so if you take a look here, it says, who is this Prompt Merchant for? If you're a freelancer, if you're an agency, entrepreneur, whatever. Okay, so in other words, this is not for newbies. They are itself writing here that it's only for people who are already doing something. Either you are an established freelancer, or you are some digital marketing agency, you are some entrepreneur with tech skills, you are some VA, you are some marketeer, course creators. This means all these categories belong to experienced people. Okay, and me, I am very experienced, but still I did not have any interest in knowing what this Prompt Merchant is. Okay, and I lost my interest as soon as I started watching the demo video, because I don't want this. Okay, your case might be different. This is not for me. It doesn't mean that it's not for anybody. if you think that you are able to understand what they are trying to sell you or trying to teach you, then you can go and buy this prompt merchant if you think you can make this work. For me, making money is quite simple as making this YouTube video. Okay, again, you see this is the demo video in which they are showing you god knows what is this. I lost my interest as soon as I saw this .doc.google.com and then images and prompts. I mean, literally we have to sell prompts to somebody, and good luck in finding those somebody. Okay, so when it comes to selling, it's only the traffic which matters. Okay, so if you have some people who buy something from you, then you can sell them anything then you can sell them anything of your choice. It doesn't have to be only prompt merchant. Okay, if you are my YouTube subscriber or if you're into my email list, I can sell you anything of my choice, and it doesn't have to be only this prompt merchant training course. Get it? So in this case, go and decide yourself if you want this or not. If your end goal is only to make money on the internet, this is the last thing I will worry about. If my goal is to make money online, I will simply come on YouTube, make a review, and you will watch my video. And when you watch my video, you will be watching some ads in this video too. And these ads make me money, whether I sell you something or not, whether you buy something from me or not. Okay, so when you are watching my YouTube video, my money is already made. And if you buy something from me, that will be a bonus. Okay, so if you go down below my YouTube link, YouTube video description here, the second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to get your YouTube channel monetized within a month, because if you want to make money without selling on YouTube, then you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel, and you will be able to get them with the help of Traffic Jarvis within 2 weeks only. Okay, so if you want to do affiliate marketing or replicate exactly what I'm doing on YouTube, then go and get Traffic Jarvis. We have one more cool method which says here make money on autopilot with forex trading. This forex trading is like currency trading, where you buy currency at low price and when you sell when the price goes up. Okay, so if you take a look here at my machine, I have many machines here, one and then this one. Okay, so this is on automation, so we have to go and set up this machine, then the graph, then we will be using a software and give the settings to that software, and the software will be doing the trading on our behalf automatically. Okay, now if you come back and click on the first link here, then go on this page and enter your email address, enter your name, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch 2 videos there to understand what this method is all about. In this method, you don't have to do anything. You will be keeping 60% profits weekly. It's a profit sharing basis deal. So you will be keeping 60% profits and I will be keeping 40% profits weekly. Why? Because you do not have to do anything. I'll be managing your account on your behalf. I will be setting up this machine, the software, the thing, everything I will be doing. And you will be keeping 60%, I'll be keeping 40%. So whether you sleep, whether you are traveling or doing whatever, you don't have to touch this. You simply have to just make your 60% profits for doing nothing. Okay, right now you will not understand anything what I'm saying, so go enter these informations, then go on the page, watch 2 videos on those pages, on that page particularly, and then come back to me on Skype. If you have any questions, you can message me on Skype, as you see people message me on Skype all the time. Okay, and the second link is all about Traffic Jarvis. So for now, this prompt merchant, I have no interest in this, because I am making money just by making YouTube videos or by doing this automated forex trading. Okay, so these 2 methods are working with the guarantee here. If your end goal is only to make money on the internet, check out these 2 links. Okay, but if you want to buy prompt merchant for whatever reason, you will find the link below my YouTube video. In the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy, and do check out the syndicate. It's going to help you for long term, and I will show you now how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing, option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list. and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.